the Mercedes-Benz GLS63 AMG isn't just another luxury SUV rolling through suburbia. It's a full-blown flex on wheels. This thing exists in that rare space where supercar energy meets family hauler practicality, and it does it with zero apologies. From the moment you spot one cruising down the highway, you already know it's different. The stance is wide, the grille is aggressive, and the AMG badge lets everyone know this isn't your neighbor's regular GLS in the American luxury SUV scene. The GLS63 plays the role of the heavyweight champ that also knows how to dress sharp, talk smooth, and still throw hands when it's time to move. Under the hood is where the GLS63 really starts talking loud. Mercedes drops a handcrafted AMG V8 into this beast, and it's the kind of motor that makes you grin every time you tap the throttle. The exhaust note isn't subtle or shy. It's deep, angry, and straight-up addictive. This SUV may weigh as much as a small house, but it moves like it skipped leg day in the best way possible. You hit the gas and the power comes on hard, smooth, and relentless, pushing you back into those ultra-plush seats while the world outside starts blurring real quick. It's wild how something this big can feel this fast. And that's where AMG earns its respect. Driving the GLS63 around town feels like piloting a luxury tank with a PhD. It's calm, composed, and ridiculously comfortable when you want it to be. The suspension soaks up potholes, cracked pavement, and jacked up city roads like they don't even exist. But flip it into Sport or Sport Plus and the whole vibe changes instantly. The steering tightens up, the suspension firms, and suddenly this three-row SUV starts acting like it's late for a track day. It's honestly hilarious how much personality this thing has. Like it's got a split personality between chill luxury cruiser and full savage. Hold on, inside the GLS63 is where Mercedes really shows off. This cabin feels like money, plain and simple. High-quality leather everywhere, carbon fiber or brushed aluminum trim depending on spec, and that signature AMG steering wheel that just feels right in your hands. The dual widescreen displays stretch across the dash and make everything feel modern, futuristic, and premium as hell. The ambient lighting at night is straight-up mood-setting, turning the interior into a rolling lounge that looks more like a high-end club than a family SUV. You can dial the colors however you want, which is perfect for flexing at night drives. The tech in the GLS63 is no joke either. Mercedes loads this thing up with pretty much everything you'd expect at this price point and then some. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and actually makes sense once you get used to it. Voice commands work better than most competitors. Navigation is crisp and clear, and the sound system absolutely slaps. Whether you're blasting hip-hop, classic rock, or podcasts on a long road trip, the audio hits clean and hard. It's one of those setups where you don't just hear the music, you feel it. Space is another area where the GLS63 shines. This is a legit three-row SUV that can actually handle adults in the back without forcing them into yoga poses. The second row is roomy and comfortable, and the third row is surprisingly usable for longer drives. Cargo space is generous too, especially when you fold the seats down. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, gym gear, or random Costco impulse buys, the GLS63 handles it without breaking a sweat. It's a real-world luxury SUV that doesn't forget its job while flexing its performance muscles. On the road, the GLS63 feels planted and confident even at higher speeds. The all-wheel drive system puts power down cleanly, which is clutch when you're dealing with this much torque. Launching from a stop is straight madness for something this size. You'd expect wheel spin, drama, or hesitation, but nope. It just hooks and goes. Highway passing is effortless, like you barely have to think about it. Tap the gas and you're already gone, which makes merging and overtaking feel easy and stress-free. Fuel economy. Though yeah, let's be real. Nobody buys a GLS63 to save gas. This thing drinks premium like it's happy hour all day. City driving will have you seeing the gas station way more than you'd like. And even highway cruising won't exactly impress your wallet. But if you're shopping for a V8 AMG SUV, you already knew that going in. This is about smiles per gallon, not miles per gallon. And the GLS63 delivers those smiles every single time you fire it up. Reliability is a topic that always comes up with high-performance German SUVs, and the GLS63 is no exception. Mercedes engineering is solid, but this is a complex machine loaded with tech, turbos, and advanced systems. Maintenance isn't cheap, and repairs can get spicy if you're out of warranty. That said, owners who keep up with proper servicing and don't abuse the vehicle tend to have a solid experience. This isn't the kind of SUV you neglect or cheap out on. It demands attention and respect, and if you give it that, it usually treats you right. One thing that really sets the GLS63 apart is how it balances luxury and aggression. Some performance SUVs feel too stiff or too wild for daily use, while others lean too hard into comfort and lose their edge. The GLS63 walks that line beautifully. You can daily drive it without feeling worn out, but when you want to have some fun, it's more than ready. That versatility is a big reason why it's such a hit in the US market, especially for buyers who want one vehicle that does literally everything. Compared to rivals like the BMW X7 AMG or the Range Rover Sport SV, the GLS63 holds its own without trying too hard. BMW brings sharp handling and tech. Range Rover brings luxury and off-road cred. But the GLS63 brings brute force wrapped in elegance. It feels more old school in the best way, with that V8 rumble reminding you why internal combustion still matters. In a world that's going electric fast, the GLS63 feels like a last stand for big, loud, unapologetic performance SUVs. The exterior design is bold but classy. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely commands it. The AMG-specific front fascia, larger wheels, and subtle badging all come together to create a look that's muscular without being obnoxious. Park it anywhere and people notice. Pull up at a valet, a car meet, or even the grocery store, and you'll catch looks. It's one of those vehicles that quietly announces success without needing flashy tricks. Safety is another strong point. Mercedes packs the GLS63 with advanced driver assistance features that make long drives easier and city traffic less stressful. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all work smoothly in the background. These systems don't feel overly intrusive, which is key. They're there when you need them, but they don't constantly nag or ruin the driving experience. It's a nice balance between tech support and driver engagement. Ownership experience is a big part of the GLS63 story. This is a status vehicle, no doubt about it. Pulling up in one sends a message, especially in the US where big luxury SUVs rule the roads. It fits perfectly into American lifestyles, whether that's road trips, family hauling, or just enjoying wide-open highways. It's not subtle, it's not cheap, and it's not trying to be anything other than what it is. A top-tier luxury performance SUV resale. Value tends to hold up reasonably well for the GLS63 compared to some other high-end SUVs, especially if it's well-maintained and not abused. AMG models have a loyal following, and there's always demand for powerful luxury SUVs in the used market. That said, depreciation is still real, and buying used can sometimes be a smart move if you want to experience the GLS63 lifestyle without taking the initial hit. At the end of the day, the Mercedes-Benz GLS63 AMG is about excess done right. It's fast when it shouldn't be, comfortable when it has every excuse not to be, and luxurious without losing its edge. It's the kind of vehicle that makes everyday driving feel special, whether you're heading to work, picking up kids, or taking a late-night cruise just to hear that V8 sing. In a crowded SUV market, the GLS63 doesn't just compete. It stands tall and does its own thing. For anyone in the US looking for a no-compromise luxury SUV with real performance chops, the GLS63 is hard to beat. It's expensive, it's thirsty, and it's extra in all the right ways. But if you want something that blends power, prestige, and practicality into one seriously badass package, this AMG hits different. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. And it makes one hell of an impression every single mile.